fourth to a decimal and round it to different decimal places. We'll start by writing out our fraction. To convert a fraction to a decimal, we divide the numerator by the denominator. In this case, we're dividing 1 by 4. So 1/4 as a decimal is 0.25. Now, let's round this to different decimal places. First, let's round to the tenths place. The tenths place is the first digit after the decimal point. In this case, it's 2. Since the next digit, 5, is 5 or greater, we round up, so 0.25 rounded to the tenths place is 0.3. Next, let's round to the hundredths place. The hundredths place is the second digit after the decimal point. In this case, it's 5. Since there are no digits after the 5, we keep it as is. So 0.25 rounded to the hundredths place is 0.25. Finally, let's round to the thousandths place. The thousandths place is the third digit after the decimal point. In this case, there is no digit in the thousandths place, so we can consider it as a 0. Since 0 is less than 5, we don't round up. So 0.25 rounded to the thousandths place is also 0.250. Let's summarize our results. To visualize this, let's look at these results on a number line. Here's where 0.25 falls on our number line. When we round to the tenths place, we move to 0.3. When we round to the hundredths or thousandths place, we stay at 0.25. This visualization helps us understand how rounding affects the position of a number on the number line. Remember, when we round, we're finding the closest value at the specified decimal place.